Ever wondered how to find every single transaction you've ever made with one person on Cash App? Whether you're tracking payments to a friend, business, or family member, today I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to view your full payment history with any specific person, step by step. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a powerful tip to save money on transfers with a free bonus offer you won't want to miss. First, open your Cash App and log in. On the home screen, look for the clock icon in the bottom right corner. This is where your entire transaction history lives. Tap on it and you'll see a chronological list of every payment you've sent or received. Now simply scroll down until you find the person you're interested in. Once you see their name, let's say it's Johnny Apple's Seed, tap on it. You'll now be taken to their profile or transaction page. From here, scroll down and select the option that says View History with Name. That's it. You'll instantly see every payment, request, or transfer you've ever made with that specific contact. This method is quick, simple, and works every time. No need to dig through emails or screenshots, just a few taps inside the app. And that's how you find your full Cash App payment history with any person the fastest way possible. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and check out that special Wise link below to start sending money smarter today.